In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find charts and indicators on eToro, particularly in the context of demo trading. Whether you're a seasoned trader or a beginner exploring the vast world of online trading, knowing how to effectively navigate platforms like eToro can significantly enhance your trading experience. So, let's dive into this journey step by step. First things first, open your preferred web browser and head on over to the eToro website. You can easily do this by typing in the URL. It's your one-stop shop for trading stocks, cryptocurrencies, and ETFs, all within a powerful, user-friendly app. Once you're there, your first task is to log in. Locate the Login button, usually at the top right corner of the screen, and give it a click. If this is your first foray into eToro, you'll need to sign up to gain access. However, regular users can simply enter their credentials to proceed. Once you're logged in and on the eToro homepage, you'll want to navigate to the Discover section. This is where a wide range of assets will be laid out before you, much like a buffet of trading opportunities. The Discover tab is your main point of entry to uncovering the various assets available for trading. Take your time to browse through and identify the specific asset that piques your interest. Having pinpointed your asset of choice, it's now time to click on Trade. This action will direct you to the trading interface where you can start making important decisions based on the data presented. At this stage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout before moving on to the charting section. To gain deeper insights into your chosen asset, locate and click on Chart. This will unveil a detailed visual representation of the asset's performance over time. Charts are invaluable in helping you understand market trends, identify trading opportunities, and make informed decisions. Once your chart is open, it's essential to enhance your analysis using indicators. Indicators are tools that apply a set of statistics to the charted asset price over a period to spot patterns and trends. Look for the Indicators option, which will often be found within your chart interface. Click on it to explore a variety of indicator options at your disposal. Whether you're seeking moving averages, RSI, or MACD, selecting the right indicator can provide additional layers of insight into your trading strategy. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to accessing charts and indicators on eToro's platform. With these steps, you are well equipped to start analyzing and interpreting market data effectively. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this walkthrough has been enlightening and that you feel more confident navigating the eToro trading platform. Happy trading!